Hey guys, what's going on? It's Rekt Capital. Is Ethereum set for new highs? Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this in the future, and let's dive right in. And I just want to preface this video with a fantastic falling wedge that preceded fantastic upside. It started off with this falling wedge, and this is going to be an integral pattern that we're going to be focusing on when just showcasing the thesis for Ethereum's further price action going forward. We saw a reclaim of this falling wedge as a support that enabled a rebound to just challenge for a breakout beyond this falling wedge, confirmed breakout with a weekly close beyond it, and continuation for an 83% uptrend. All of these charts have been shared on Twitter in a thread, and I just want to showcase to you how this is now really turning into a U-shaped reversal, with this falling wedge truly figuring as a key reference point in building the base of this U-shaped reversal, because this U-shaped reversal now is signaling to us that Ethereum may be on the cusp of revisiting these old all-time highs and potentially even challenging for new all-time highs. Because if you guys remember from previous videos, months ago even, we saw a U-shaped reversal on the macro scale, on the monthly chart, and now we're seeing on the weekly chart yet another U-shaped reversal, which is really interesting to see because there's something inherently in Ethereum's price action that Ethereum just likes to form these U-shaped reversals, and they are of course bullish patterns. They transition into great new uptrends, and seeing this U-shaped reversal continue to form over time ever since rebounding from a valuable demand area, breaking out from this falling wedge, it's really promising to see this U-shaped reversal. So how can we further confirm that this U-shaped reversal is going to continue happening? So we are now in a period of really interesting price action, because this orange area, as you can see, used to figure as a resistance. But the times where it figured as a support, we saw a daily candle over here turn this area into support, and that preceded magnificent upside. So now we're in the process of retesting this orange area as a support, and in fact you can see that this long downside wick has confirmed that support test. And it's interesting to see a mirroring in the price action, because it took one daily candle to successfully retest this orange area as a support before proceeding further upside. And we're seeing the same thing here, one daily candle. All it took was just that one downside wick into this orange area, and that's essentially proceeded further upside. But more importantly, a successful retest of this order block, of this historical demand area. And what's really cool to see is that it's not just the daily time frame that's looking good, mirroring history. Most importantly, we're seeing higher time frame changes. This weekly candle close, in particular, this one over here, is resembling this one. And the reason that I compare these two is because this weekly candle close closed just above this orange area, which was enough to propel Ethereum to new all-time highs, whereas you're actually seeing this weekly candle close was able to close much higher above the orange area, which just showcases that fervent buy-side pressure pushing price up to much higher price levels compared to what we saw earlier on in the year. So much more fervent buy-side reaction. And we're actually seeing a picture-perfect retest of this orange area as a support. So it does look like this breakout beyond this previous resistance area, like you can see over here, resistance for 3 weeks straight, which actually preceded this falling wedge to form. This previous resistance is now fully confirmed into a new support. So we're probably going to see further upside in the uptrend, and we might see relatively higher price levels from this point, because if you look at this region over here, that's the top of the upside wick, break past 3,200, and we don't have much resistance, much major resistance, until 3,600. So that's phenomenal. And at the moment, we're already seeing on the lower time frames that Ethereum is on the cusp of a flag breakout. It's been consolidating inside this sideways flagging structure, which was a means to an end in effectively just providing those two downside wicks to actually successfully retest that support that we've been talking about all episode long today. So fantastic retest attempt. And this flagging structure is reaccumulation for just a few days, because now we're seeing Ethereum on the cusp of a breakout. Daily candle close above the top of this flagging structure would proceed further upside, and that would confirm the flag breakout. So this flag breakout is going to facilitate higher time frame changes and further upside to the higher 3000s. So it's really good to see these sort of changes in Ethereum's price action. I nearly said Bitcoin there, but Ethereum's price action, because this all feeds into this theory of a U-shaped reversal for Ethereum in its macro price predicament. So far, so good. It does look like Ethereum is going to be following through on this U-shaped reversal. And as long as that continues to hold, or at least this pattern continues to hold, and we still see this trend progress, Ethereum is going to form that U-shaped reversal, and we're going to see a breakout, or at least this is going to be the key validation point. So 3,900, that's going to be the massive key validation point for this U-shaped reversal, and a weekly candle close above this level would probably see Ethereum reach new all-time highs still this year, which is exciting to look forward to. In any case, guys, that's about it for the video. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this in the future, and of course, like the video if you enjoyed this one. I'm Rekt Capital, and I'll speak to you in the next one. Speak to you soon.